Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is Lorna Jimenez Malio. I am 39 years old. I live in Butuan City. I am married. I have one son. I have two brothers. I have nine sisters. I am seven rank in the family. I am work. I have my experience before in Saudi Arabia since 2017 2019. I'm working there 4 years. They are four members of the family. She is a single mom and my duty there is cleaning, ironing, etc. Because my employer she cook the Arabic food. My previous work, my previous work in my employer in Qatar 2021 to 2022 I mean 2025 I will take care of kids and also doing household like cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, etc. Um, I know how to care the kids preparing food, breakfast, and also change the diaper and take shower. I will teach nursery. I will teach and also good moral, etc. About myself, I am honest, patient, obedient, hardworking, etc. Sir and ma'am, hope you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I am a responsible, I am hardworking. I promise I will do my duty very best to do my duty very well. I always obey and I follow the instruction. I can handle all my duty, especially your kids. I always caring. I promise to do. I finished to sick. The I finished 2 years contract. Thank you.